Hi, good morning. Today we would like to present about martial art and what we have learned through the course. Before that, we would like to introduce our group members. I'm Yu Jin.
I'm Yu Hong.
I'm Gen Xian.
I'm Si Kang Jie. So hope you will enjoy our video later. Thank you. I'm Si Kang Jie. So the martial art or fighting arts are system or codified practice and traditions or compact. Martial art all have similar objective to physical defend the other process or defend the one self or other from physical threat. Some martial arts are also linked to belief systems such as the Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, Confucianism, or Shinto, while others follow a particular code of honor. Martial arts are considered as both an art and a science. Many arts are also practiced competitively, most commonly as combat sports, but competitions may also take the form of dance. Of course, the most obvious benefit is a knowledge of self-defense, which is one of the major reasons why I'm learning martial arts. Through the Taekwondo training, I also know more about the moral martial arts. Teach me have to respect each other, including the teammate or the master. Besides that, I also finding the right style during training the Taekwondo. Before learn the Taekwondo, I do know which style is suitable for myself. So I will kick or defend myself with wrong way which is not suitable for me. Okay. So now let's show some kick style which is suitable for myself.
I think martial arts are based upon understanding hard work and the total comprehension of skills. Power training and the use of force are easy, but total comprehension of all of the skills of the martial art are very difficult to achieve. To understand, you must study all natural movement in all things. Naturally, you can understand the martial art of others. You can study the timing and the weakness. Just knowing these two elements will give you the capacity to knock him down rather easily. To understanding technique, you must learn that they contain a lot of condensed movement. This may look quite awkward. When you start to learn it, you will find that it is awkward to you. That is because good timing includes the quick change, break variety, and speed. It may be a system of reversals, much like a concept of God and the devil. The speed of event, which one is rather in charge? Do you change the place with lightning speed? The Chinese believe so. To put the heart of martial art in your own and have it a part of you means total comprehension and the use of freestyle. When you have that, you will know that there are no limits. Here are some useful skills that I learned from the lesson.
So now I would like to talk about what am I learned from the martial art. So martial art are various forms of self-defense, usually weaponless, based on the technique developed in ancient China, India, and Tibet. In the modern times, they have come into used for self-protection, as competitive sport, and for exercise. I think martial arts embrace peace, I believe that there is something to the study of the martial art, something beyond the techniques, beyond what takes place in the ring, something magical and interesting and important. We respect all methods and all of the men and women on their own path, from all the countries, from all the schools, passing down what is they have learned or what are in the process of learning. I find the more intense the martial art and the less inclined you are to violence outside of the dojo. You have an outlet for your frustration and daily stress, and you have no choice but to lose any bit of ego. You become truly self-confident. However, the more I learn, the more I do not wish to harm or even use what has been taught. I learned that most fight can be avoided. I learned that martial arts is most about harming, but is that the same thing that can harm can also be used to heal. The focus in the learning self-defense, self-esteem, self-confidence, fitness, flexibility, self-discipline, and having fun along with protecting yourself. So now, I want to show some skill. What am I learned from this recent lessons?
I would like to present about martial arts. Martial art is a form of self-defense and is also called fighting arts. One of the martial arts that I learned is Taekwondo. I started to learn Taekwondo when I was standard 2 and I stopped at standard 5 with achievement of blue belt red key. I was given a chance on a board breaking skill. It was excited, but at the same time it was sad because I had failed on the second kick. From the experience, I realized that kicking board is not just based on how hard you kick it, it's on the technique you kick it. Through the whole course, I also learned some extra information is about first emergency, first rescue. Also been taught by Master Suhaisi. At the beginning, I was very curious why we have to learn this in a martial art class. But after being exposed to the knowledge on emergency response, it helps me to understand the martial arts does not just carry the meaning of fighting, but also carry the meaning of rescue others as well. This is the video clip of the emergency first rescue. Okay, that's all for our video presentation. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.
Yeah.